Greetings. Today I wanted to share with you a really cool little strategy that I use, and maybe you can use this too. Now, I know that people are typically trying to connect with their guides, they're trying to connect with the light beings around them, and at times that's not easy. Now, I find it particularly hard if my energy is low. So what I do is I recharge, and this is what I use to recharge. I first pull up my toric field and I look at it and I see, is there anywhere in there that looks like it's not glowing? Can I actually make it expand? Can I make it glow even brighter? And I just have a look, I examine it, I be curious around it. Next, I go ahead and I look at my chakras. Are they all there? Are they all lit? Are they all glowing the way that they should? Or are they a little dull? Are they in need of a little bit of polishing up? And that's when I take note, I bookmark it, I take myself off to the waterfall. Now I stand myself under this waterfall. It falls directly on my head. It powers everything up and it just, I don't know, lights me up. So what I do is I breathe in the particles of the mist that the waterfall is leaving. So I breathe in, and I let it out. And as I breathe in the particles of dust, and I let out any pieces that might no longer serve me. Sometimes I give it a color, other times I just breathe it out. And so you can see here in the particles of dust that I'm breathing it in and I'm breathing it out. So now when I felt like I've had enough time to breathe in the particles of dust, I guess mist, whatever, I go ahead and then I go again and check my toric field and I check my chakras just to see if there's any difference at all in how they appear. Maybe they're brighter, maybe they're shining stronger. Whatever the case might be, I take note of what it looked like at the beginning and what it looked like at the end, because we're looking to supercharge those energetic fields within inside you. And then I go ahead and I look for my light beings and call them forward. And hopefully that is a strategy that helps you.